Assalamaualaikum warahamatullahi, wabarakatuhu everyone. Hope you're fine, inshallah. In today's video, we are gonna make tea, and the style that I used to make tea, to like make the ginger tea, So it's up to you on what ginger you want. So what I'm gonna start, I'm just gonna turn on the gas. So I'm not gonna add the water yet. I'm gonna take the ginger. I'm gonna cut it as much as I want, as much as I want to put, and don't worry guys, this is burning. So I'm gonna set about 2 slices. That's good. So I'm gonna keep this in for just give me 1 sec. Okay, great. Now I have 2 slices of ginger. Now what I do, I put the ginger in the saucepan and then crush it. Why? Because the juice of the ginger will still remain. Because when you crush it, the juice spills everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna close this, and then I'll take something heavy like this thing, this bad boy, and I'm gonna crush it. As you may hear some drill machine in this video, I'm so sorry. There's some construction going on. So I'll just say about this much. But I'll say about this much. And then I'm gonna just keep it here. I'm gonna let it be a little bit hot. Not a lot, not mid, a little bit. Just gonna do this high. So if you're doing on the highest one, just do like 20 seconds. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Assalamaualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, sorry, something unexpected happened. Okay, so I'm back. So I left off the ginger. We're gonna close it now. See, it's kind of burned. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take water. I'm gonna add it. So this is my philosophy. 4 people, 3 cups of water, 1 cup of milk. Now, if you have a milk that is less than 3.25% fat, then I think you may consider putting 2 cups of milk. But I have 3.25% fat, so I'm gonna put 1 cup of milk. For 4 people, 3 cups of water, 1 cup of milk. If you have less than 3.25, then 3 cups of water, 2 cups of milk. That's how I do it. And it works. I'm gonna put 1 cup of water, 2 cups of water, 3 cups of water. I'm gonna put a little bit more. There. Okay. And now I'm gonna just let it sit there. And now I'm just gonna put this so that it's a little faster for you guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is wait until the water starts boiling. Like you see those little bubbles. So that happens. And Alhamdulillah, we moved to British Columbia from Ontario. It's really nice here. Alhamdulillah, we got a nice home and a nice price. Alhamdulillah. And yeah, going well. Alhamdulillah. Unfortunately, our things are not here yet. We have been here for like 3 weeks, I guess. No, 3 weeks. It's still not here for some reason. It's gonna come on Sunday, inshallah. Today is Friday. I went from Juma. Umbrella, there's a university right there, so we can spray Joma there, and it's all nice. It's not boiling yet. So turn this up a little bit. By the way, I'm so sorry about these drill machine. I don't know. There's like construction going on. I'm probably gonna try to make the noise cancellation, but let's see. So I turn on the light. There. Oh, forgot to say this. Is that better? Yeah, I think so. So I see the ginger going to the one side of the water. So it's gonna still wait. See, it's very watery. The steam came on the pan and it just became water for some odd reason. I think condensation, you call it. It smells like ginger, nice. Okay, so I can see the boilness. Is it a word? I don't know. So now I'm gonna add tea bags / tea powder. I recommend tea bags for tea powder, but it's your call. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Add sugar. I recommend brown sugar. White sugar is tastier, but I just recommend brown. It's way better for your tongue. And above that, I recommend no sugar, but oh dear, me neither. I'm sorry, some sugar fell. I'm just gonna keep checking that it's working the video. Okay. So I've added sugar, I've added tea bag, ginger, water. Now all you have is this bad boy, which is called milk, for your information. Okay, so we have milk. So it's gonna take a while to grow. So yeah. So now I'm gonna wait, and I'll meet you when the tea is on its thingy. I need the hotness of this thingy. There we go. So that's just a little boil there. Now I'm gonna add milk. Cool down, buddy. Okay. So I'm gonna cover it again. And yeah, that's basically it. So you just wait for the steam to come up 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. You can do it 1 time. It's just like it just tastes more. Here's a joke. Tea, right? T-E-A. More tastier. Tastier. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. You just wait for the steam to go up, and yeah, Allah Hafiz.